Okay, I'll show you. See, walang nag-transfer. Hi everyone, this is Angelie and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be teaching you on how to apply a transfer-proof makeup while wearing your face mask. We're always using our face mask every time that we go outside our house. Before anything else, we need to cleanse our face before applying our makeup. Do not forget to moisturize your face using your moisturizer. Use only a water-based or gel-based moisturizer. Lagi tayong nakasuot ng face mask. That's why laging kulob yung face natin. Naka-cover siya ng face mask. Kaya dapat yung ginagamit natin ng mga moisturizer is water-based and gel-based para hindi na siya makadagdag para mag-oil yung skin natin. I tried a lot of makeup from high-end to drugstore makeup para lang malaman ko or matuklasan ko kung ano ba talaga yung makeup na dapat ginagamit during this time na lagi tayong naka-face mask. Finally, na-discover ko tong makeup na to, this combinations of makeup, para maging transfer-proof every time na you wear your face mask. Kasi I experienced during my first week, second week na pumapasok ng office, na talagang pag yung ginagamit mo na mga makeup is not transfer-proof, makikita mo ang dumi ng face mask mo, nandun lahat yung makeup mo. And syempre, medyo mahal din yung ginagamit nating face mask, and kung lagi tayong magpapalit nun, it costs a lot. I just tried different makeups para lang malaman ko kung ano ba dapat yung gamitin kong makeup during this time na lagi tayong nakasuot ng face mask. After kong mag-moisturizer, I am using this Glowdation ng Misha. This is something that will add glow to your skin. Actually, pag ginamit mo nga to, parang nagsha-shine yung face mo. From the line itself, it's glow. Nung una, takot akong gamitin itong product na to kasi alam ko na I am using this kasi kapag gusto ko ng Korean look, yung medyo nag-o-oil, yung nagsha-shine. Sabi ko, baka hindi perfect for that makeup na ina-achieve ko, which is the transfer-proof makeup. I will show you kung ano yung consistency nitong product na to. So, para makita nyo kung gaano siya ayan, ganito yung product na to. So, kung mapapansin nyo, para siyang nag-glow, lalo na pag tinatamaan ng lights. That's why I'm using this kapag mga Korean yung aking makeup or glowing yung aking gusto na makeup. What's good about this product? This is already SPF 50+. /PA+++. So, I don't need to use sunblock every time that I use this Glowdation. Based on this packaging, nakalagay dito na luminous glowing skin that makes you looking in the mirror all day. So, that's why medyo takot akong gamitin to kasi alam ko nga na I'm using this kapag mga glowing makeup yung gusto kong palabasin. And this is a multi-purpose makeup base. A sun protection base provides skin priming and tone effects. ilagay yung ating Glowdation ng Misha, gumamit ako ng loose powder ng Savannah. This loose powder is a shine control, sheer, long wear, and oil control. Nung pinagmix ko silang dalawa, maganda yung kinalabasan nung effect niya. Kasi oil control, yung loose powder, then si Misha na glow is nag-glow yung skin. So, nag-combine sila ang dalawa and maganda yung naging result. Medyo paubos na nga lang itong product kong ito. Nabibili ko lang tong product na to every time na nag-a-attend ako sa Hair Asia. So, dun ko lang sila nakikita na nagbebenta nito. This is made in Thailand. So, marami sa mga makeup na made in Thailand is talaga nakaka-control ng oil based on the experience and based on the recommendation ng mga kapwa kong makeup artist din na na-experience nila na gumamit ng mga product or powder, foundation coming from Thailand. Nakita na natin yung effect ng combination of Glowdation of Misha and loose powder of Savannah. Lagi tayong nagsusuot ng mask and eyes lang natin yung nakikita madalas. That's why gusto kong i-emphasize yung magaganda nating mata. For my eyebrows, I am using this Tevian. This is waterproof, kaya kahit pawisan ka or mag-sweat ka, hindi yan basta-basta matatanggal sa kilay mo. Gusto ko laging naka-wing eyeliner. I am using this Clisora Get Wing Eyeliner para at least mas madali akong makagawa ng aking wing eyeliner. So, itong eyeliner na to, every time na bibili kayo, isang box siya na may dalawang eyeliner. Kasi, yung isa is for your right side na eye and this one is for the left side. So, meron kasi siyang parang stamp na gagamitin nyo. Kaya, meron siyang right and left. gusto natin na mag-pop up yung ating eyes at maging buhay na buhay while naka-face mask tayo. So, gumagamit ako nitong poly lashes. So, this poly lashes kasi, meron siyang kasamang eyeliner na adhesive. So, no need nang gumamit pa ng any glue for the lashes. May kasama siyang 3 different lashes from medyo natural and then medyo may volume ng konti. And then, yung pangatlo is talagang, this one is reusable. So, even though na medyo expensive siya, magagamit mo naman ng paulit-ulit yung lashes na to. Hindi siya disposable. So, masusulit mo talaga yung paggamit. Lastly, syempre tayong mga babae, parang hindi tayo kumpleto kapag nag-makeup tayo nang hindi tayo gumagamit ng lipstick. So, I advise na every time that you wear lipstick, it should be a long-wearing one, a waterproof one, which I recommend Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick. So, eto talaga, kahit kumain ka, hindi ito basta-basta matatanggal sa labi mo. And isa pang additional technique ko dito para hindi siya talaga mag-transfer dun sa face mask nyo. You have to put some powder on the top of your lipstick. Lalagyan ko ng powder on the top of my lips para ma-sealed yung lipstick natin. And hindi talaga siya magta-transfer dun sa ating mga face mask. So, ganito siya. So, kung wala kayong brush at sponge lang yung meron sa inyo, pwede naman. Or, pwede mo rin naman siyang gamitan ng fingertips kung wala parehas. So, kuha ka lang ng powder. Yan. Medyo, lagyan mo siya ng konti. And that's it. Para hindi na siya mag-transfer dun sa face mask mo. Itatry natin kung magta-transfer ba ang ating makeup while wearing this face mask. Show you. See, walang nag-transfer even na-press natin yung ating face mask sa ating skin. Hindi siya nagto-transfer dun sa ating face mask. That's why this is the best, or this is what I recommend for you if you want a transfer-proof makeup for your face mask. I hope you like this video, and please don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!